And last method for the removal of hardness of the water is the Kalgan process. Last one is the Kalgan process. Beta Kalgan. Kalgan means Kal plus Gun. Kal means calcium. Gun means gone. From hard water, calcium is removed. Calcium removed means what? Magnesium also removed. From calcium gone from hard water, its name is Kalgan. Beta Kalgan is the common name of an inorganic compound that is sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate. Metaphosphate PO3, hexa. It is the commonly Kalgan. Otherwise, its name is sodium hexametaphosphate. This is the chemical. This is the compound which exchange calcium or magnesium from the hard water. If hard water contain calcium ion or magnesium ion, it will exchange calcium or magnesium ion or remove calcium or magnesium ion from water, and our water become hard water, so soft water. The reaction will take place from this sodium Na2. In place of 4 sodium atom, we have 2 calcium atom or magnesium atom. If magnesium is there, our formula is Na2 Mg2 PO3 6. All the calcium or magnesium present in hot water will be removed in the form of salt, and our water contain only sodium ion by this process. This is the last one and important method for your exam. Explain Kalgan process for removal of hardness of the water. Either the hardness is temporary or permanent. What is the heavy water? Our last topic of hydrogen is heavy water. Heavy water is just like simple water. Beta simple water, we have 1 ml of ordinary water, 1 ml of hard water. In our test tube, level of both these remain same. But when we weigh, heavy water is slightly heavier as compared to the weight of ordinary water. Then it is known as heavy water. Beta, it is due to the presence of deuterium in place of protium. Its formula is D2O. First time accidentally it was be discovered by Urey. Urey is the scientist. He used to pass the electricity through water and forget. Then after a long period of time, he identified what happened with the water. He takes some water from the water tank and weighed. And first time he called it is slightly heavier than ordinary water, then it is heavy water, and its name become heavy water. It is prepared by prolonged electrolysis of ordinary water. Now, properties. Beta, physical properties are similar as that of ordinary water, but its melting and its boiling point is slightly heavier than ordinary water. Chemical properties are also similar. First of all, beta, hydrolytic reaction. Hydrolytic reaction, like water, it also have hydrolytic reaction. Suppose calcium oxide mixed with water. On will give calcium hydroxide. In the same way, if calcium oxide mixed with heavy water, it will give calcium deuteroxide. Metal react with water, like sodium react with water to give sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. In the same way, heavy water react with sodium to give sodium deuteroxide and deuterium. But speed of reaction is slow due to the mass of water. Otherwise, all properties are similar. Heavy water is basically used as moderate in the nuclear reactor. It is used as moderate to the nuclear reactor. Otherwise, all properties are similar as that of water, that will be discussed in our last video, that is the water and properties of water. Thanks, beta.